Okay guys, welcome to my new video, how to get unlimited free solo ads to your offer, guaranteed hits and guaranteed leads, and from there sales. Like you know, solo ads is one of the best traffic source to get traffic to your affiliate link or any link you want to promote. And like you know, this traffic is very expensive, and this is a lot of money to invest in traffic in solo ads. For example, you can see here, if you this offer 1000 clicks, almost $600, you can see 500 clicks, $425. This is very expensive. So I decide to show you today how to get free solo ads that convert real traffic. You can check this traffic using your Google Analytics. All the traffic that I will show you is some of them is free, and I will show you for a bonus paid solo ads traffic. But this paid solo ads, it's very cheap, and I am sure you will like it, because this is a fantastic traffic and very cheap solo ads traffic that you can't found anywhere. Okay, this traffic I am using a long time. I am using free traffic, and also I am using this very cheap traffic. Okay, so I will start with free solo ads traffic. I think you already know about safe list solo ads traffic. You can see there is 30,000 active members on this website, and all you have to do is here you can see credit mailer, and all you have to do is put your title here and your description, and your link here, your affiliate link, and send your solo ads. Right now I don't have a credit, because I already sent my solo ads today. If you want to make more credit, when you sign up to this website, you will receive hundreds of emails, and all you have to do is open these emails, and then you can get unlimited credit, and you can use this credit to promote your link, your affiliate link, or any link you want to promote, and get real hits daily. Okay, traffic source free solo ads is the evolution mailer. You can see I have on this website 10,000 credit. I can use this credit to send, you can see here, send mailing, and I can use it to make my banners, and so I can get traffic from free solo ads and from banners ads. Okay, you can use both, and of course this website, when you sign up, you will get emails to your inbox, and all you have to do is open these emails and earn unlimited credit, and you can use this credit to get unlimited free solo ads to your affiliate link. and of course you can use it to set up some banners in this website. Okay, free traffic source number 3 is mailc.net. You can see this website. You can sign up for free and go here to send mail. You will get this inbox, okay, this form, and all you have to do is put your message here, your title. Make sure if you want to use solo ads to make a convert title, and put your text, solo ads text here, and your link or affiliate link you can put here. Like you see, I have offer for 1,000 credit. This is free and I can use it any time. Okay, now I hope you will use this free solo ads. This is real traffic, guys. Okay, this is real traffic. Use it, and this is a fantastic traffic. Now I will show you a very cheap traffic solo ads that you can use, and you can promote your affiliate link, guaranteed leads, and even guaranteed sales. This is a fantastic and very cheap solo ads traffic. Okay, I think you know about SEO Clark. All you have to do is go here to search and type solo ads and enter. So you will find here unlimited offers, unlimited solo ads, very cheap solo ads. You can use it to promote your affiliate link. Okay, this is a fantastic solo ads. You can find the very cheap solo ads using SEO Clark. You can see here solo ads to 1 million 10,000 guaranteed clicks, only $50. You can find more. You can see here 10,000 USA traffic to your site, only $8. You can see here $5,005. Okay, I think you get the point. You can see here 50,000 hits for $100. Okay, basically you can find here a very cheap solo ads that you can use and promote your affiliate link. Now remember, not any solo ads is convert. Is you have to check. You have to use a good product and good solo ads. Okay, this is very important. Okay, I think you get the point. You can find here a fantastic solo ads and very cheap solo ads. Traffic source solo ads, cheap, very cheap solo ads is you can see is visitors. This website is I am using long time for now. You can see mega solo ads to 25 subscribers, only $50. You can see 365 days solo ads. This is a fantastic solo ads for 1 year. Basically, this is a this video is about free and paid solo ads. It's your choice. I think you have to start with free solo ads, and you can get unlimited free solo ads and free hits to your affiliate link. Uh, and I think that's it all for this video, my friend. I hope you like it. I hope you will take action. I hope you will start with a free solo ads. And if you want to get a quick results, you can use paid solo ads. Of course, it's your choice. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more free videos, free making money methods. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.